Good awareness of each other by the Knicks underneath. Johnny Newman picked out Patrick Ewing. Newman has all kinds of people around him.
And Oakley draws his third. That looks like a prime confrontation between Charles Oakley and Patrick Ewing.
That's pride, too. You don't want the big man to slam that ball against your team, and that's what Oakley tried to prevent.
Referee had Russ taking a look at the scoreboard and trying to make a determination. They really crank the volume here, don't they, John?
There's some crazy horns going on around here, too. People in the stands. What kind of place is Chicago, Greg, your hometown? Fun place.
We'll talk about that later.
It's fun. This is really nice here. This is so much like college environment, high school, close to the court, everybody. I never heard sirens going off. The guys at the foul line.
You didn't come from the right neighborhood.
That shouldn't be allowed. Listen to this.